Are you ready? What about you? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you know what we're gonna do?
No.
What do you see, Bella?
I see big buildings and a big circle with lights in it. Oh no! I don't want to run! No!
But now I'm leaving.
Are y'all ready for
Hike?
yeah
Rock climb.
and rock climb? Everybody touched it.
Just put your finger on it.
If I put my nail. 42 feet above the sculpture. I know. Wait, no, I'll go like this.
The ball points to where the center of our sun was. With the naked eye from this exact location at 8:56 p.m. on the dedication date.
Hey, what time is it?
Arizona time.
It is. And just like that, we finished the tour in the Hoover Dam. And where are we heading next?
The hike.
The hike! Yay!
My turn.
How far are we in right now?
1.4.
Are you sure?
2 more miles to go.
It feels like forever.
Feels like 6 miles.
Yeah. And there's rocks and hills like these. It definitely feels more. Whoa.
Even the cooler in the dark.
Pretty cool. finished the hot spring?
I'm exhausted.
Exhausted. Oh my goodness. There's so many people there. There's a dog there. Mom breastfeeding.
A guy in a Tarzan bathing suit. That was a good view.
I'm pretty sure he was gay, but I'm just saying. He was yanking on it.
Was he?
He was. Anyways, we gotta go back. 3-mile hike back. Are you ready, Isaac? Mm-hmm. We are ready. Deep down into the canyon. Isaac, we're here. Are you excited? How are you feeling? Belle, we're here. Yay. I'm going in here. Oh, wait. Bella, tell us where we are.
We're at a museum, and there's Avengers. Adventure Museum.
Avenger Museum. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you, Isaac? Who are you gonna see first?
Hi guys.
Oh, we're heading in. Check temperature.
You are required to wear your mask on at all times, always above the nose, never below. This includes while taking any photos whatsoever, including selfies. Your mask must remain upon your face. Make sense?
Yep.
This also, while taking drinks, it is okay to pull the mask down, drink, and then pull it right back up. However, there are no loopholes with photos. You can't be taking a drink while taking.
Oh.
Oh no.
Ant-Man.